Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst lush green fields, there lived a kind-hearted girl named Maya. Maya was known throughout the village for her compassion and willingness to help others. Her radiant smile and gentle nature brightened the lives of everyone she encountered. Maya's acts of kindness extended far beyond her own family and friends. She would often visit the elderly in the village, spending hours listening to their stories and offering her assistance with daily chores. She would bring them warm meals and medicine, ensuring their well-being was taken care of. One day, a severe drought struck the village, leaving the crops withered and the villagers worried about their survival. Food became scarce, and people started to lose hope. Maya couldn't bear to see her community suffer, so she took it upon herself to find a solution. With her unwavering determination, Maya approached the village council and proposed the idea of a community garden. She suggested that the villagers come together to cultivate the land collectively, growing crops that would sustain everyone during this challenging time. The council, inspired by Maya's compassion, agreed to her proposal. Maya rallied the villagers, encouraging them to contribute their time, effort, and resources to establish the community garden. People were initially skeptical, unsure if they could succeed in such harsh conditions. However, Maya's infectious enthusiasm and unwavering belief in the power of unity won them over. Day after day, Maya and the villagers toiled in the scorching sun, clearing the land, tilling the soil, and planting seeds. Maya shared her knowledge of sustainable farming practices, guiding the villagers in nurturing the crops with care and love. Gradually, the barren land transformed into a flourishing oasis of greenery. The community garden bloomed with vibrant fruits, vegetables, and herbs, providing nourishment and sustenance to all. The villagers rejoiced, grateful for Maya's vision and dedication. News of Maya's extraordinary efforts spread beyond the village, reaching neighboring communities. People admired her selflessness and the positive impact she had made. Inspired by her story, others started their own community gardens, fostering unity and self-sufficiency in times of hardship. Maya's kindness and leadership inspired a movement of compassion and resilience that rippled throughout the region. Her story became an example of how one person's acts of kindness and unwavering spirit could bring about transformation and hope in the face of adversity. Maya's legacy lived on, not just in the flourishing community garden, but in the hearts of all who witnessed her selflessness. Her story serves as a reminder that even the smallest act of kindness can create a ripple effect, spreading joy and making the world a better place.